AI face swap just got a huge update thanks to Midjourney. And if you haven't used Midjourney before, it's the most powerful AI text-to-image generator out there. And you can now do face swaps right inside of Midjourney. And I'll show you step by step how to do it in this video. Step 1 is you have to make sure you have a Midjourney account, and you also have joined Midjourney on Discord. If you haven't done that, simply log on to www.discord.com and download the Discord app. Sign up and then head back to your browser and sign up to the Midjourney and join the Discord community. Now on the left side of Discord, you want to find the plus sign because we need to add a server. Press the plus sign and we want to create our own server. This is pretty simple. And then click for me and my friends and then name it something, and it doesn't matter what you name it. This is your own server, but you could invite other people to it. For this purpose, we're not going to invite anyone, but besides a couple of different bots. So we'll press create. So with step 2 complete, step 3 is we need to invite the Midjourney bots. So we need to go to the Midjourney server. Again, I already showed you how to get into the Midjourney. I already joined the server, and we need to find this thing called Midjourney Bot on the right side. It will also be available in your direct messages. You just have to find Midjourney Bot and then add it to server. So I'm going to click this, and I want to choose my own server, the one I just created, which is this one. And I'll press continue, and I'll authorize it. So now if you look over here, this is the new server I just created. I could jump into it. And as you can see on the right side, I'm in this server. The Midjourney Bot is in this server. The Midjourney Bot is in this server, but the face swap bot is not yet in the server. So I have to invite that, and then we'll have all the bots that we need. So to do that, I have to invite that, and I'll put a link in the description. Makes it a little bit easier. I have it in a different server, so I'm going to click on it. And this is the link I'm including in the description. If you click on this link, it's going to bring you to this page, and this time you want to add it to the server we just created, which is this one. And I'm going to press continue. So whatever you name your server, pick that, authorize that one. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the new server I just created. So it should be 3 things now. Myself, the face swap bot, and the Midjourney bot. And now we go to step number 5, which is I need to type in Saveid. This is what you should see as long as you have that new face swap bot. Click on it, and then you'll get 2 different prompts here. It's going to ask you to drop an image right here. So this is going to be the image that is the original image. So the picture of Lionel Messi in this case. And then I'll face swap it with something I'm going to create inside of Midjourney. So I'll select this first. So I'll select that picture here, and we have to name it. I'm just going to name it face swap, and I'll press enter, and it says ID name face swap created. So now I'm going to create basically the image that I'm going to use with the face swap, and I'm going to use the Midjourney bot to create something from scratch. So I'm going to type in imagine, and this is going to be the prompt I'm going to put in. So if you want to follow mine, I'll put it in the description to a couple of different options for you. So cyberpunk is going to be the first one. Then male, you could do male or female. Close-up portrait, so I know it's a portrait shot. Looking at camera, this will ensure that they're not looking sideways. They usually look sideways if you don't say this. Then ultra-realistic and 4K. Those are the prompts I'm going to use. I'm going to press enter. Now this is going to generate those images for me. It's going to give me 4 options. Then I'll show you what I got. And I got my 4 image generated here. If you don't like them, you could just press this icon here. I've done that a couple of times to get exactly what I'm looking for. And if I want variations on any one of these, I could press V. This is V1, 2, 3, and 4. Or I could upscale them with U1. So I'm going to upscale U1, which is this first one here to get a better resolution version of it. And let's do 4 also. So then that's going to give me 2 different options. Now to do the face swap, look how easy this is. So I'm going to take this one, I'm going to right click on it. And there's an option here for apps, and I have the in swapper, right, this one. Click it and it's going to swap. It's creating a new one here with a new face swap. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. I could do it with this one too. I'll wait a second for those 2 to appear. And there you go. In a few seconds, I got the 2 different variations here. And if I like it, I could click on it. I could open it in a browser to get full picture, and I could right click and save this image to my download folder just like that. And I have it. So it opened as a JPEG here. And there you go. I could post this anywhere I want. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more contents. Happy creating.